write a C program to accept a string from the user, reverse it, display it back on the screen, check whether it's a palindrome, sort a string. If such questions make you want to run away, yet you are still here watching the video, that means you're looking for a simple way to learn all of this. You know how important they are, you've seen them in your question papers, and yes, you're at the right place. In 30 minutes, I promise you, you'll be able to do all of this and much more. Programming is far easier than what you think. People are now learning this in school. You still don't know how to do all of these. This is the time. Wake up and get on with it. In today's lecture, I'm going to show you how to declare a string, how to accept a string from the user, display it back on the screen, and these are all string with spaces. Okay, if anyone is teaching you all this by a single word string, like palindrome programs of a single word, that person is just fooling you, because what comes in the exam is a whole sentence, and that program will not work here. But if you know how to accept and work with strings, even with spaces in them, then the program works everywhere. Like I said, that's how they ask in the exam. So once we know all our basics, we're going to do all our exam questions where we'll accept a string from the user, sort it, and display the sorted string. We will take a string, reverse it, display it, check if it's a palindrome, and we'll finally do a program where we'll do palindrome checking without even reversing the string, just looking at the string and a few comparisons, and we'll tell whether it's a palindrome or not. All of these are exam questions. See your last few question papers. You'll find all of them somewhere or the other. A big question on strings is there in every exam of C programming. Alright, now this whole lecture and the entire course of C programming is on my website, bharatacharyaeducation.com. The link is given down below. This lecture, of course, is there in the C programming course. Select the course. As soon as you make the payment, the course becomes active. The course is there with you for 6 months. Start learning. Enough of planning, enough of thinking someday I will learn programming. That day is now or never. Cliche, but that's the fact. Hope to see you there. Wish you all the best. Do well. We are going ahead. Now,